Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Triple Whale 2026. So actually guys, as first you will need to prepare the account, so you'll need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a Triple Whale account. If not, you can sign up by going through that option, book demo. Okay, so right here you will need to fill the blanks: first name, last name, company email, company name, company website, phone number, and right here you will need to select the brand or if a brand or agency, and even if it's a company or any other type of a company. Okay, so you can go with order. If you clicked on order, you will need to select what are you interested in and to check mark what would you like to discuss, and after that you will need just to check mark that option and click on book a demo, and that's where you create an account. Okay, after creating an account, I want you just to go back to your store or Shopify store and then click on the settings, last option on the left hand menu. Okay, and after that I want you just to go and click on the apps just like so, and then click on Shopify app store to get forwarded into the app store of Shopify. Then I want you to go and look for the Triple Whale. Okay, so that's the option, click it, and after that go with install. So you will be forwarded into a confirmation page. You will need just to click install again, and then it will be added to your Shopify. Okay, so as you can see, we added to our Shopify, we integrated it with Shopify. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.